Looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Kansas City, Missouri? Look no further than Huntley Disposal. We understand that waste management can be a hassle, whether you're renovating your home, undertaking a construction project, or simply need to dispose of excess waste. We offer many dumpster sizes to accommodate your needs, from small residential cleanups to large-scale commercial endeavors. Our team at Huntley Disposal takes pride in prompt delivery and pickup, ensuring that your project stays on schedule without any delays. Our fleet of specialized vehicles is at your service, delivering the perfect dumpster right to your doorstep, ensuring a clean and efficient project. Whether a small home cleanout or a large construction project, we have many dumpster sizes to meet your requirements. We believe in making your life easier. We offer timely delivery and pickup services to ensure your project runs smoothly. So, if you are embarking on a home renovation or construction project or just need to clear out clutter, Huntley Disposal is here to make your waste disposal a breeze. You can easily book your dumpster online or by calling us, and we'll be there to assist you every step of the way. Visit our website at huntley-disposal.com or call 816-532-1065 to book your dumpster today and enjoy efficient and hassle-free waste management in Kansas City. Thank you for considering Huntley Disposal as your partner in maintaining a cleaner and more efficient Kansas City.